In a surprising turn of events, the legal battle between Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis and House Judiciary Chairman Jim Jordan has taken an intense twist. It seems like these two are really going at it, with Willis throwing some serious shade at Jordan in her latest response. She didn't hold back, accusing him of potential abuse of authority and obstruction. And let's not forget about Jordan's demanding letter from September, where he basically grilled Willis for information about her investigation into alleged misconduct by Trump and others. This whole situation has turned into a high-stakes showdown that's got everyone on the edge of their seats. Who knew legal battles could be this entertaining? In her letter to Jordan, Willis didn't hold back at all. She straight up said, "Look, the kind interpretation here is that you have absolutely no clue about the laws and regulations in the United States and Georgia." But oh no, she didn't stop there. Willis went on to suggest something even juicier. She accused Jordan of misusing his power as chairman of the Committee on the Judiciary to try and mess with a criminal prosecution in Georgia. This back and forth between Willis and Jordan really shows just how intense and divided the political and legal landscape has become. And it also highlights the delicate dance between the legislative and judicial branches of our government. Willis has become a national figure with her investigation into possible wrongdoing surrounding the 2020 election. Things just keep getting crazier and crazier. The investigation aims to determine whether anyone broke the law while trying to influence the election in Georgia. It's an important part of making sure the election process is fair. This legal battle isn't just limited to Georgia. It has national implications. The chairman of the House Judiciary is trying to oversee a criminal case at the state level. This clash brings up questions about the separation of powers and the limits of authority for congressional committees. It also adds another layer of complexity to the ongoing debate about political investigations, prosecutorial discretion, and Congress's role in overseeing the executive branch. As the legal and political situation continues to change, people across the nation are watching closely to see how this dispute gets resolved. The exchange between Willis and Jordan is like a small version of the bigger problems and legal issues in the United States right now. With everything going on since the 2020 election, there's a lot at stake in terms of upholding the rule of law and democratic principles. How this legal dispute pans out could have a big impact and set a precedent for future cases. In terms of the battle for the new House Speaker among congressional Republicans, things didn't go so well for Donald Trump. His niece, Mary Trump, didn't hold back in criticizing his involvement. She basically called him a big loser in this internal party struggle. On Wednesday, October 11th, the nomination of Scalise came as a blow to Ohio Representative Jim Jordan, who had been a favorite among MAGA Republicans and had received an endorsement from Donald Trump himself. However, Scalise managed to secure the nomination with a vote of 113 to 99. Appealing to the more moderate sector within the party. The battle for the House Speaker position is far from over, as a floor vote is yet to take place. It remains uncertain whether Scalise will be able to gather enough support to reach the required threshold of 217 votes. The outcome of this vote will determine who will lead the House Republicans and play a crucial role in shaping their legislative agenda. Mary Trump's criticism of her uncle comes as no surprise, as she has been an outspoken critic of Donald Trump and his presidency. So, there's this book called Too Much and Never Enough: How My Family Created the World's Most Dangerous Man, written by Mary Trump, that gives us a behind-the-scenes look at the Trump family and calls out their dysfunctional behavior. Now, Mary Trump is Donald Trump's niece, so her perspective carries some weight. But it's important to remember that she may have personal biases influencing her views. Still, her comments just add more fuel to the fire in the ongoing battle within the Republican Party. As this whole situation continues to play out, it's crucial that we consider different viewpoints and sources of information. Understanding the motivations and alliances within political parties can give us some valuable insight into what's going on. And let's not forget, choosing a House Speaker is a big deal that will shape the future of the Republican Party and their legislative